Om Bahu Bhaktaya Namaha.
Bahu Bhakta. Bahu means daughter-in-law, Swamiji. Daughter-in-law devotee. Yeah, many daughter-in-laws were his devotees also. He used to give them such ideas. My grandmother itself told me. I told Gurudev, because she used to talk to him in Tamil. She told him, complained, as a mother-in-law, about my mom. She says, Swamiji, she has no time to talk to me also. She always busy with your school. Chinmaya school. She's so busy with your school, she has no time to talk to me. And Swamiji said, you are so lucky. He told her, you are so lucky. She said, what? If she has time, she'll be fighting with you. Isn't it? Then only she understood, oh, yeah, you're right. If she is free, she'll be fighting with you. Since she's not free, so therefore you are lucky. So Bahu Bhakta also, that way also. But Bahu means many. Many, many, many devotees. How many? Countless. Nobody has done any statistics. So many devotees. No. That to all age groups. Balavihar, Yuvakendra, Setukari, adults, Vanaprastha, Sannyasi. How many devotees? Bahu Bahu. Many, many, many devotees. All age groups. A to Z. A to Z means? A to Z means what? Huh? A to Z. A means atheists. To Z. Even zestful, inspired people in spirituality. A to Z. That's called A to Z, I meant. Even atheists were his devotees. They don't say, we don't believe in God. But what Swamiji is saying is true. It happened in one of the temples. The temple people said that this is in olden times, because Gurudev, when he started the lectures, all the orthodox were so against him. You are talking in Mlicha Bhasha. Mlicha Bhasha is your English. Oh, my English also. Mlicha Bhasha. Isn't it? So they told, you're talking in Mlicha Bhasha. So the Pandits and all, after he gave the talk in temple, now we have to do Shuddhi Karana in the temple. Because he gave talks in a Mlicha Bhasha, we have to purify the temple. At that time, the atheists revolted to that. They said, you guys, if you do the purification ceremony in the temple, we will pollute it. See, the atheists are revolting against, because what Swami Chinmayananda talked, we agree to that, even though they are atheists. See that. Bahu Bhaktaya Namaha. Many, many, many. You go to, in India, you go to many offices, you need some permit or something, and they say, somehow in their conversation, Swami Chinmayananda, how do you know Swami Chinmayananda? The officer says, oh, sir, I attend Gurudev's lectures and all. You attend Gurudev Swamiji's lecture? Okay, what is your work? Give me your file and all. Immediately is ready to serve you. Don't use this technique, okay? So in many offices, many people holding the high portfolios, they will not reveal themselves, but many, many devotees. Bahu Bhaktaya Namaha.
Om Bahu Bhaktaya Namaha.